Welcome po, welcome. Good evening, everybody. Good morning to everybody in the world today. We are presenting po yung Co-op crowdfunding. So this is Co-op C. Welcome po sa ating lahat. Ano po ba yung Co-op C? It's a cooperative crowdfunding. So yung cooperative po, alam po natin yan. We come together as a community para pagtulungan po natin yung ating mga adhikain sa buhay. So, crowdfund meaning money is generated from the community to help everybody in the community. So, bottom line, yung cooperative crowdfund po ay tayo-tayo po ang mga nagtutulungan dito sa programa na to, which is good. Kasi yung pera goes to the program pero bumabalik sa atin 100%. So hindi katulad ng mga dati po nating alam na yung company ang kumikita ng 35% of the money we put in that program. So ito pong cooperative crowdfunding, it makes money accessible to everyone, everywhere in the world. Ito pong programa natin ng Co-op C ay it's operating worldwide in 177 countries. So pwede po tayong mag-invite sa buong mundo po itong ating programa. So, anong pwedeng mangyari po dito? Once we do the simple steps po dito sa programa natin, it can actually pay our expenses on a monthly basis, our everyday expenses po, kaya po niyang ibigay. Nakita ko na po yung performance nito. We've been doing this for a week lang. Ngayon, we started February 10. It's 8 days na nagawa natin pero maganda po yung ibinigay na income sa atin. So hindi na siya normal na yung wage earning sa mga nagtatrabaho. So we can actually pagka pinagtuunan po natin to ng pansin with time, we can get out of debt. So marami po tayong mga utang. Sa totoo lang, kasama po ako doon. At one point, ang dami ko pong utang sa credit cards. So pinatay ko po lahat yung mga credit cards ko. May isa pa po ako naiwan pero I don't know kung yan ay na i-declare na as bad debts. Pero I still have that in my list na kailangan ko pong iklaro. So marami tayong ganun po ang nangyari sa atin throughout these years na nandito po tayo sa industriya ng multi-level marketing business. So pagka po ito po meron tayong programa in just 16 weeks. So that's actually 4 months from today. We can actually raise money to fund our best life. So yun po ang mahalaga. Katulad ngayon po, I'm no longer young. I'm not young anymore. Ako po ay 66 na. Ang pangalan ko po ay Marisa pala. I didn't introduce myself. At ako po parang I wanted to really do something na pagbibigay na po ng long-term passive income. Meaning ngayon, paspasan ko na po and after a while, it's going to give me a non-stop residual passive income. So that, pwede ko pong gawin muna yung mga gusto ko like travel the world bago po ako tumanda na hindi na makalakad and walk around airports. So, kaya nagustuhan ko po ito, napagtuunan ko po. In my 30 years of multi-level marketing, ang dami ko pong ginawa. Pero lahat po nung ginawa ko na yun, yung promise ng passive residual, hindi po nangyari. So ano ba yung passive residual? I entered multi-level marketing po because of that, yung passive residual income. Pero hindi siya nangyari sa lahat ng ginawa ko po. But today, nakita ko po dito sa cooperative na to, because of its technology, because it is written in the blockchain, yung pong inaasam po natin that's going to give us passive income na residual po sa trabaho natin ay mangyayari siya with our cooperative crowdfunding. So, tingnan po natin, yung crowdfunding po, merong stigma yan sa mga taong hindi nakakaintindi. Marami pong nagsasabi na yung crowdfunding ay illegal, scam. Pero si Obama po nag-raise siya ng kanyang funds noong siya ay nag-run for presidency via crowdfunding. Ginamit niya po yun para siya sasabotuhan ng presidente at nanalo po siya. ang daming pong sumuporta sa kanya via yung kanyang crowdfund na inilabas sa community. So it is a very legit program po. Kahit dito sa Pilipinas, ina-acknowledge mo ang crowdfunding, even the SEC po. Kaya, lalo na yung cooperative. Yung cooperative po, talagang legit yan. We have yung mga lending cooperatives, marami po yan. Ako po, magmula po nang nagtrabaho ako sa UP Los Baños, I was a member of a big cooperative doon po sa UPLD. So, yun po ang nagbibigay sa akin ng inuutang ko po para makaikot ako dahil maliit lang yung sweldo ko, may mga bata, I am a single parent. Yung po yung utang ko dun sa kooperatiba ang nagpapaikot po ng buhay ko. So I really love the cooperative because everybody in the community can help. So nagbibigay po tayo doon ng ating mga fixed asset, yung mga savings, ganon, as a contribution to the community para may bumalik din po sa atin. Makakautang tayo. Yun po yung traditional na cooperative. So ngayon, how is this different from the traditional cooperative, the traditional crowdfund versus ito pong ginagawa natin na digital cooperative crowdfunding? So ito po, yung traditional crowdfunding po, yan po ay magre-raise ka ng funds for yourself. Ikaw lang. It is given to you one time. Pero itong yung approach po doon ay walang collaboration, kundi naglagay ka doon sa website, humihingi ka ng tulong kung meron kang pangangailangan sa buhay mo, kunwari may sakit kung sino may sakit sa pamilya mo and you cannot have enough funds para suportahan, you can ask from the community. So, yung contribution po ng mga tao is only for a single cost. So, pinupondohan yun one time. Pagkatapos ng tapos na, itong ginawa ni David Rosen na cooperative crowdfunding is a recurring income every 28 days. So we raise funds for our goals, pero it happens every 28 days. Ang community sasama po sa atin nagko-contribute so that everybody earns that money every 28 days. Iniba po niya yung konsepto. Pero ang totoo po, siya po yung may idea ng crowdfunding, si David Rosen from the beginning. Siya po yung nag-introduce in the world ng crowdfunding. So itong cooperative crowdfund na ginawa niya is sustainable. It is long-term. Whereas yung traditional, hindi po siya masustain ng matagal. Minsan lang siya. So I'll show you, nag-search po ako sa Google kung ano yung mga popular crowdfunding programs na nandiyan sa kapaligiran natin. Ito po ang lumabas. So yung Indiegogo, merong Kickstarter, GoFundMe, Fundable. Ito po yung mga popular. And there are 4 more. 8 yan na nakita ko actually na GoFundMe. Kahit i-search nyo po sa Google. Ngayon tinignan ko, anong ginagawa nito mga Indigo, Kickstarter, GoFundMe, Fundable. Tignan po natin si Kickstarter. Si Kickstarter po ay it's a crowdfunding platform to gather money from the public. Ganun po yung crowdfund. Hihingi ka ng tulong. So, it is helping companies raise money since 2009. Nakita niyo po, 2009 pa ito. It has been used to raise over 7 billion for over 250,000 companies na nangailangan ng tulong to kickstart their programs. So, talagang legal po ito. Pwede kayong mag-apply dito. Ano tong isa? Ito po, GoFundMe. Itong GoFundMe naman is nag-launch siya ng 2010 pa. It is the largest social fundraising platform. Dito po humihingi yung mga taong walang bahay, nahuhulog ang bahay sa gilid ng ilog, yung may mga sakit yung mga kanilang mga kamag-anak, and they cannot fund their expenses, dito sila humihingi ng tulong. So it allows individuals and organizations to raise funds for their personal, medical, and charitable causes. So nakita niyo po, 2010 pa yan. It is the most well-known donation-based crowdfund platform used for personal cause, such as medical expense, emergency relief, etc. Yan po yung GoFundMe. Napaka-popular po na yan. Yung isa po, Fundable. So it is a software as a service funding platform that helps entrepreneur fund and grow their business through rewards and equity crowdfunding. So ito tumutulong po to sa mga startup businesses, small businesses, at marami na pong natutulungan ito na startup companies. Ganon din po yung Indigo. So hindi ko pala, Indiegogo, hindi ko na ilagay dito. So ganun din po siya. They started mga 2009 to 2010. So sino bang nagpaumpisa nitong crowdfunding na to? Ito po, this is our founder. Yung crowdfunding, yung cooperative, yung mga loyalty cards, yung mga online malls, ito po ang dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon yan. Si David Rosen po is a visionary. He sees before everybody sees. So dinidisrupt po niya yung pananaw ng mga ordinaryong tao. So in 1985 pa po, nilabas niya yung loyalty card niya eh. So yung loyalty card na yan, in-invent niya yan. It is the first ever loyalty card. Nasundan na po yan ng mga rewards card. So today, may lahat ng mga yung mga ano natin, binibilhan natin may rewards card. O Robinsons, punta ka, may rewards card. SM Mall, may rewards card. Starbucks, may mga ganon, etc. So sa kanya po galing yung idea na yon. The second idea na nilabas po niya yung online mall. Siya yung unang merong online mall in 1995. So hanggang nagawa na po yan nung iba, nasundan na nung ibang nagkaroon ng online mall. So ayan po, kung 1995 yan, that was 5 years plus 25, 30 years ago. So kasabayan niya halos yung si Amazon. Yan. So, siya ang nag-pioneer po ng crowdfunding in 2001. So, yung idea po nito na ipipresent ko po has been there for the last 20 plus years. At nagraran po itong cooperative niya, the cooperative business. Kasi itong pag-uusapan natin, cooperative crowdfund. Pero nag-umpisa po siya as a cooperative business. Iba po yung programa niya doon. Pero sila po ay, kaya mo pong emerge yung buong programa po niya, iisa din lang yan. Pero nilagyan niya ng demarcation line yung mga different co-op programs niya. So, nag-start po ng 2016. So, it has been for a while na lang dyan. So, 2016, so for 25, that 9 years na po ang kanyang cooperative na nagra-run. So, it has already paid over $1.1 billion yung kanyang mga programa to 1.2 million people. So hindi na po ito ipoprove. This has been proven. It is a proven business system, ang cooperative crowdfund po ni David Rosen. So that's why I'm excited po. Kaya lang, I would have to make an income disclaimer po. Not everybody who will join the co-op will be successful. Yan po yung katotohanan sa mga tao. Why? Kasi depende po doon sa ilalagay mo na effort, depende sa ilalagay mo na time, depende po doon sa iyong involvement, depende doon sa pangarap mo, bakit mo ito ginagawa, the reason why mo ito ginagawa. So magkakaiba po yan kada tao. So it is the same program, it gives the same income, pero yung tao po ang nagkakaroon ng pagkakaiba. So only people that have a definite reason why nila ito gagawin, and they're willing to put in the efforts na required, which are very simple, sila po yung makakarating doon sa patutunguhan po natin na $1.5 million in 16 weeks. So, hindi po lahat. So, I don't know kung sino po dito sa atin ang makakarating doon, but for sure, only those people na seryoso po to make a change in their lifestyle ang mangyayari po ito sa kanila. It is 100% guaranteed to people who will do it, who will do the steps 100%. Yan po yung guarantee lagi ni David Rosen. So ano ba yung steps dito sa mga cooperative? Napakasimple po ng ginawa niya. 100% of that money na donasyon mo, idodonate mo sa kooperatiba mo. Kaya nga crowdfund, tayo nagdodonasyon doon sa kooperatiba natin. And then, we earn it. Gumawa po siya ng sistema kung paano makakarating sa mga tao ang ating mga binibigay. 100% of that is given back to us with a compensation plan na ginawa po niya para ma-distribute niya yung pera. So, ano yung steps? These are 3 simple doable steps na gagawin lang minsan. You will have to execute this one time. One-time execution of 3 simple doable steps. Ulit-ulit po ako. Bakit? Para malaman niyo po na hindi tayo yung paulit-ulit na magtatrabaho dito. We only put our efforts one time. Gagawin po natin ng one time and we will encourage everybody to do this simple step one time. It is a one-time execution. Ano to? Number 1 po, you register as a co-op affiliate. So dito po sa pag-uusapan natin, ang uumpisan po natin ay co-op 12. Anong ibig sabihin? We are paying $12 to start, jump-starting our business sa co-op ground. So, pagka-register po natin, we will receive a back office na ready na po yung back office natin. It delivers yung results mo instantly in that back office. Yun po yung maganda, nandyan na, hindi na ginagawa, nagawa na, ready na. So, depending on the effort that you put in, you see right away your income. So, results. Makikita right away ang results. So, that's number 1. And then, ang number 2 po na step is to find 3 business partners. Kailangan po meron po tayong contribution. Anong contribution natin dito as a community, as a member of the community? Mag-refer po tayo ng 3. 3 lang ang hinihingi niya. Refer 3 friends or more. Yung or more niya, the more money you have. Pero minimum, you have to refer 3. So pag nag-refer ka kasi ng 3, naglabas ka ng 12, you become profitable. Bakit? Kasi ang kikitain mo po sa 3 mong dadalhin, $15. This is the only platform po na nakita ko na trumabaho ka, first effort you put in, you are profitable. So yung $15 na kikitain mo sa 3 mo puts you in profit kasi 12 ang inilabas mo eh. So sabi na natin 13 including your fee. So 13, kumita ka ng 15, profitable ka ng $2. So hindi lang po yun. It's going to cover your next subscription for you to be able to earn month after month or 28 days every 28 days. So wala ka ng problema. Yung nilagay mo na one time na 12 mo and one time execution of referring 3 people, it puts you in a system na tuloy-tuloy na po siyang mangyayari, non-stop, pag po itong pangatlo ay magagawa mo. So what is your 3rd step? So number 1, you registered. Number 2, you referred 3. Piliin mo po. Sino ang referral po natin dito ay people na makakausap mo at naghahanap talaga sila nung pwede nilang gawin. It is very affordable and then it is very easy effort. Ngayon, kung wala ka talagang makuha dahil nanggaling tayo sa mga scam, ayaw na maniwala sa iyo, yan po ang problema na marami dito na nandito sa meeting natin na sinasabi po sa akin, wala na maniwala sa kanila. Then, ang gawin po natin to be able to refer 3 ay mag-bless po tayo ng 3 nating gustong kumita. Ang tawag po doon ay pay forward. So pumili ka. Magsulat ka ng kaibigan mo. Sino ba yung mga kaibigan mo? Sino ba yung pamilya mo? Sino ba yung alam mo na gusto ring mabago yung buhay niya and willing siya magtrabaho? Yun ang ipipay forward mo. Babayaran mo yung 3. Pero ang sasabihin mo doon sa 3 mo, kung nagustuhan mo, my friend, I will pay for your account but you also have to bless 3 of your friends. Would you be willing to do that? Pag sinabi, oo, meron akong mga friends. So yun po, pinakamadali dito, yung pay forward. So everybody pays forward, andar po ito ng mabilis pag yun po. So you make a choice. Anong gagawin nyo? To find and recruit people, refer them, or to pay forward to 3. Paparating mo lang dito sa ating meetings. We will do a daily meetings po para sa mga bago natin. Ngayon, ang pangatlo, pag nakapag-refer ka ng 3 or you have pay forward to 3 people, ang paggawa kasi po dito, hindi ito ang paggawa na po natin ay, we will do it deliberately. Ibig ko sabihin, intentional na po. Wag na po ito yung sumama ka tapos pahaya-hayay kang, hindi ako mag-recruit. Hindi po. Wag ka na lang sumama kung gano'n ang pananaw. Ang pananaw po dito, seryoso po ito. Seryosong negosyo to that could change your life in 16 weeks, in 4 months. Binibigyan po natin ng 4 to 6 months. Sige, 4 to 6 months. Para mabago completely po yung kinalalagyan mo. Pero seryosohin po natin. So pag sinabing itong gawin mo, parang papasok ka sa empleyado, nag-apply ka ng employment, sabi niya pumasok ka araw-araw 8 to 5. Pag hindi ka pumasok po, hindi ka bibigyan ng sweldo. Ganon din dito. Pag sinabi niyang you find 3 in 1 week, you look for 3 in 1 week. Yun lang po ang contribution mo eh. To give your 12 and to look for 3. And the third na trabaho mo is to help your 3 people find their 3 people. Yan lang po yung trabaho natin. By helping your 3 people to find their 3 people, your business is on the go already. Ang tawag po dun, duplication. So pag tayo po'y na-duplicate, everybody gets to be duplicated. Yung po ang goal natin na ma-duplicate tayo. Kumuha tayong 3, yung 3 natin, kumuha din 3, then kukuha sila ng 3, everybody gets 3, then we maximize that earnings in 16 weeks. Sorry, in how many weeks? 4 times 4, 16 weeks. So, yun po. So, makikita nyo po dyan, ang sabi po dito, ang gagawin mo lang, ito lang po. This is the summary. You find your 3, your best 3 friends. And then help them find their best 3 friends. Ganun lang po yung gagawin natin. Yan lang po. One-time execution of the 3 simple steps. Ngayon, paano tayo kikita? There are 3 streams. Meron tayong 3 patutunguhan na daluyan ng ating pagkakakitaan. So ano yung pagkakakitaan natin? Yung papasukin natin una, we call it the C12, Cooperative 12 Matrix. So ito po, kaya 3 ang hinihingi sa inyo kasi ito po ay 3 by 6. So anong ibig sabihin ng 3 by 6? 3, everybody gets 3 until we hit the level 6. So pag na-hit po natin yan, then we are compensated. Pero maganda po dito, meron siyang upgrade. So, dyan po sa 3 by 6, along that way, at level 4, kaya ka pong i-upgrade to the next cooperative. So, ang tawag po sa matrix natin ay cooperative. Pag sinabi ko pong cooperative, ibig sabihin matrix. So, the next would be upgrading to Co-op 28. So, ang Co-op 28 po ay at level 4 ng Co-op 16, you will have enough money. Hindi na po magagaling sa bulsa nyo. Your $12 is a one-time out of pocket. Everything else na pang-upgrade nyo po is coming out of your profit, out of the income na ibibigay po nitong ating cooperative. So, ang upgrade po to the next Co-op 28 is out of your profit. So ano po itong Co-op 28? It is a 3 by 10. So anong ibig sabihin? Gagawa ka ng panibago? Hindi po. Yung ginawa mo na 3 by 6 is the same people and organization na papasok po ang mga tao dito sa Co-op 28. So yung level 6 mo, pag nagdala ng tig-tatlo nila, it becomes your level 7. So dito na po yan, hahagipin mo na po. Level 8, level 9, level 10. So the same people po. Pero it is giving you income in 2 streams already. Along the way ng Co-op 28 mo po, at around level 6, you have enough money to get to the Co-op 280. So yung Co-op 280 is another 3 by 10. At the same people po, yung nandito sa Co-op 28 are the same people na na-upgrade sa Co-op 280 and it's giving you the third stream of income. 3 po yan. So, paano tayo kikita sa 3 stream of income na yan? Okay. So, 100% of the money that's coming in is given as 100% royalties to people. So, nakadivide po yan into 3. 50% ay nandoon sa cooperative matrix, yung 3 by 6, 3 by 10. 50% po ng pera. Yung 25% ay binibigay po ng personal royalty. Yun po yung tinatawag na primary income. Direct referral in other words. Yun pong 25%, yung another 25% is for qualified affiliates. Ano po ang ibig sabihin ng qualified? Yung qualified, yun po yung nakakuha ka ng 3, tinulungan mo siya ng nagkaroon ng tig-3. Which means, your level 2 is complete. You have your 3, and they found their 3. So complete. And you are now ready to receive 25% more of the income out of the 100% royalties. Ganun po yan. So, ngayon, ayan. Paano tayo kikita ng pera dito? So, yung cooperative natin, yung 3 by 6, it is the Co-op 12. Ito pong 3 by 6 natin, Co-op 12, meron po tayong 6 levels. So we call that income levels. So 6 income levels. And the total people doon, yung 3 times 3 equals 9 plus 27 plus 81 plus 243 plus 729. That's a total of 1,092 people in your team. We call it the income centers. Kasi every person po na papasok dyan, kumikita ka po. So, you receive that royalty in this matrix, in this cooperative, every 28 days. So, ito po tayo every 28 days. So, it's 13 times a month. Ginawa po niyan 13, hindi po 12 months a year. It is 13 times a year, a year. Hindi 12 times a year. We receive our income every 28 days. Pero, daily po ito. So whatever your transaction for the day, you earn it during the day. And you're going to receive it during the day. So daily income po tayo. In 28 days, magkakaroon po ng renewal ang inyong matrix. We call this a subscription-based income cooperative crowdfund. Bakit? Kasi tayo-tayo rin yung nagtutulungan, yung pera natin ang umiikot. So maglalagay ka ng 12, kumita ka magkano? $1,000. $12 nilabas mo, kikita ka $900. $12 yung nilagay mo, kikita ka ulit $900. So you can actually subscribe. Wala po kasing wala ka pong walang ibinigay, may kinikita ka. Wala po akong alam na ganun. Na wala kang, kahit na po mga product-based, bibili ka ng product to earn the money na nandyan sa iyong wallet. Pag hindi ka bumili, hindi ka nag-qualify, hindi ka nag-maintain ng product mo, you don't earn anything. Ganon din po dito. Kaya napakaganda po nito. Meron kang contribution, pero you receive more. You give a little, you receive more. So ganun po yung subscription. Parang ano po yan, mga internet nyo, subscription po yan. Hindi ka nagbigay ng bayad ng internet, wala kang internet. Hindi ka nagbigay ng bayad sa ilaw, wala kang ilaw. Bakit? Subscription po yung mga ilaw, mga tubig. Because they happen every month. So you have to subscribe every month to be able to receive yung services na ibinibigay po nila. Ganon din dito. So, inilalagay ko na po yun na mindset to people such that they know na there is nothing for free in this world. You have to give to be able to receive. Pero, napakadali po ng ginagawa dito. Okay, let's see. Magkano ba ang kinikita sa Co-op 12? Dito po sa ating Co-op 12, you give $12, pero ang earnings mo po, pag nakumpleto mo po yung level 6 is going to be $918 over and over and over again. Bakit? Kasi meron po tayong tinatawag dito na Mobius loop. Infinity po ito. So pag natapos po itong level 1 to 6 mo, there will be another cooperative na mabubuksan, and the people na natatapos din ng cooperative nila na level 1 to 6 will follow you in that next cooperative. So non-stop po ito. It is a Mobius loop, infinity loop. So kaya titignan mo po, ang kikitain mo, level 1, 450 lang. Actually, 450 dito. Pero kung direct referral mo po, kada isa po, may 250 kang additional. That's why, ang kinita mo po sa level 1 mong tatlo ay $15. May bonus pa doon si David Rosen. So, ibinigay po niya yon such that you profit right away and you have your next subscription in place. So, ina-assure niya po ang success ng bawat isa. Ganun po yung kooperatiba na to. Hindi yung kukunin niya, bahala ka sa buhay mo kung mag-subscribe ka or not. He provides already. Kasi sabi nga niya, this is 100% guaranteed that everybody will succeed as long as they do the necessary three-step program. So, makikita niyo po at level 4, tignan niyo po, pag gumagawa po tayo ng negosyo, a lot of people, tinitignan rin, ay magkano kinita ko? Kailan ko yan mawi-withdraw? Hindi po ganun yung paggawa ng negosyo. Kahit anong negosyo, kahit traditional. Huwag niyo pong right away kukunin yung puhunan niyo. Huwag po. Because you cannot become big in what you do kung ganun tayo mag-isip. Kahit na traditional business po, hindi mo pwedeng kunin ang puhunan mo. Wala kang ibabalik, ay di sarado ang negosyo mo. Ganun din po dito. Kititingnan po natin yung 1 to 4 level deep. That is building your foundation in bringing more income to your business. So let us treat this as a big time business. So pag nakita mo po na kumita ka ng $13, $27, maliit ka mo, maliit. Wala pong malaki kasi sa umpisa. Pag pumalaki, scam po yan, sigurado ako. Get rich quick scheme, scam po yan. So, let us work to make it big. So, pagdating po ng level 4, you have 6750 pa, palakihin po niya lalo. You will be automatically upgraded to the Co-op 28 para lalong lumaki yung income mo. So dito, Co-op 12 po ito, you're going to earn 918 every 28 days. Non-stop po ito, parami ng parami. So ito lang po yung 50% cooperative matrix. Wala ka pa dito ng 25% bonus royalties if you are qualified. Wala din dito yung direct referral. So madadagdagan po yan. Ngayon, sabi ko at level 4, you will be upgraded to the next. So ano ba yung Co-op 28? So yung Co-op 28 is a 3 by 10. So anong ibig sabihin? Yung 6 mo, nagdala, level 7 na, hinahagip mo na. So hinahagip mo na yung level 8, 9, 10. So it is now a 10 income level source. Pero hindi nawawala po yung Co-op 12. Sabay na po. Nagsasabay na po silang gumagalaw. You are earning from your Co-op 12 at the same time you are starting on your Co-op 28. So ano itong Co-op 28? If you look, there are 88,000 income centers in the 3 by 10 cooperative. So 88,000, magkano ang kikitain mo? So you receive this income every 28 days. Magkano? Tingnan po natin. Nandito po sa susunod. Ito po. C28 goes to 10 level deep. At ang income po natin dito, pag na-reach po natin yung level 10, mabilis na lang po. Dahil level 6 ka na eh. Doon sa C12. Ngayon, level 10. That is 141,000 every 28 days. $141,000 every 28 days. Ano ba yung $141,000? So yung $141,000 is times 60. That is 6 million po. 6 million pesos po every 28 days. Diyan, nandiyan pa lang tayo sa 28. That is only a $28 subscription every month. So you are subscribing now $12 doon sa C12 to earn $1,000 every 28 days. Now you are subscribing $28 in the Co-op 28, pero you're earning $100,000 every 28 days. So manilang po yung ating subscription. Because it is a community, everybody donates into your matrix, into your cooperative, such that you earn this much amount of money. So ngayon, may pera ka na, look at level 6. You have 1,218. Tandaan niyo po yung sinabi ko na ang income na doon sa baba. It starts from level 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Level 1 to 4, yan po ay building your business. Level 5, you start earning that money. Tingnan mo po, level 5, 307 na. O pwede na yan, 15 mil, isang linggo. O isang araw. O level 6, $1,000 na. 2,000, 6,000, 31, 141,000 total in 10 level B. Malaki po yan. Paulit-ulit din po ito. May Mobius loop din po ito. Once you finish your cooperative at level 10, then you are re-entered in another cooperative and the people will follow you once they also finish their cooperative C28. So non-stop po ito. Mobius din po ito. Ngayon, after nito, you will be upgraded to the Co-op 280. So yung Co-op 280 mangyayari po kung meron kang kinita na doon sa Co-op 28 enough to cover the $280 for this matrix, for this cooperative. So the income is 10 times noong Co-op 28. Nakita mo naman, 28 times 10 equals 280. So kung titingnan po natin dito, level 1 to 4, kinita mo lang mga $2,000. Pwede na rin 100,000 pesos. Pero pag pumatak ka po ng level 5, palaki na po yan. When you hit your level 10, that is your $1.4 million every 28 days. Wala na pong tigil yan. Non-stop na po yan. So ang tanong ko, is it worth it na magdala tayo ng 3, encourage 3 people? Ang objective mo po is to help the people. Ay makakakuha ka po ng 3. Pero objective mo para kumita ka, pagkakitaan mo yung 3, mahirapan ka po. So let us shift our mindset to helping people na makita ito para mabago din yung buhay nila. And while we are helping people to change their lives, we are changing our lives. Ganun po yun. So, ngayon, tingnan po natin. Ito yung Mobius Loop technology na sinasabi ko. Si David Rosen lang po yung merong Mobius Loop technology. Wala na pong ibang programa. I was trying to look po ng isang programa na may Mobius Loop. Wala po. ito po yung natatapos yung isa mong cooperative, nagkakaroon ng re-entry, and then re-entry, and then re-entry, and the people will follow you, your downlines will follow you wherever you are to give you that income month after month after month. Hindi lang siya sa Co-op 12, kasama po ang Co-op 28, kasama ang Co-op 280. So each time a cooperative fills up, a new one automatically opens, earning you more money while you continue to earn from the field cooperative. So yung yan na puno, kumikita ka. Yung bagong entry po, kumikita ka ulit. So non-stop po ito. Your income will grow seamlessly and endlessly. Hindi ng pagkakatagni-tagni ni David Rosen. So sinamarize ko po, tinignan ko kung paano tayo seamlessly mag-shift from one, anong tawag nito? May nakita akong nag-pop up sa message, from one cooperative to the next. So titignan po natin to. Raised to 1.5 million in 16 weeks po tayo. 16 weeks. So titignan po natin. Ngayon, February, first week. February 18 na po pala. So, second week na tayo. So let's see, in 4 months kung nasaan tayo. Ngayon, ngayong linggong ito, sinabi dito, this is only a one-time 12 out of your pocket. Minsan lang po. So in peso equivalent yan, ang $12, mga 820 pesos po. Ang gagawin natin, we buy the book. O naalala ko, bago ko makalimutan, ang pagbili po ng ang pag-activate ng account po natin is buying the book at the menu ng pag nakaregister po kayo, and then we pay using our GoTime virtual debit card information. So magda-download po kayo ng GoTime Bank app, lalagyan niyo po yan ng pondo, at yan po ang gagamitin natin. Meron kayong virtual debit card po doon, yun po ang ina-accept lang. GCash, Paymaya is not accepted as our debit card payment. Kaya matindi po pala yung GoTime. Tinatanggap siya. So, but if you don't have a GoTime and you want to register right away, pwede pong gamitin naman yung GoTime ni Upline. So, wala pong limit. Ako po, nagre-register ng mga tao, I'm using my GoTime. Kaya pong magbayad po ako ng 10 ngayong araw na to. Hindi naman po ako nag-question. So, maganda po yung GoTime. So, ngayon, so this is a race to 1.5 million. Yan ang ating goal po. Tayo as a team, tayo na mga sasama dito, yan po yung ilagay natin sa ating wall. Now, we have a race to earn that 1.5 million every 28 days. $1.5 million every 28 days. So anong gagawin po natin? Magre-register po tayo one time, $12, 820 pesos only. So ngayon, anong gagawin mo? You must have to do the 3 simple doable steps. Yan ang requirement po for you to succeed. Ano yon? Refer 3, help your 3, find their 3. Ang assumption ko po dito sa kinumpute natin, everybody gets their 3 in 7 days. So 1 week lang po yung ibinibigay natin para hanapin mo. Meron po akong friend kanina na sumama. In 2 hours po, nakuha niya yung 3 niya. 2 hours lang po. So if you really want it, you can make it happen in less than 7 days. Pero dahil ito pong computation na to ay shocking, nilagay ko po 1 linggo kada isa. 1 linggong kukuha ng 3. But if you want it, you can fast track. So tignan po natin. Tignan natin paano nangyayari yung programa ng kooperatiba. Ikaw sumama ka. One time, $12. Sumama ka doon sa Cooperative 12. Kumuha ka ng 3 mo on your first week. Yan po yung week 1. Anong kinita mo? $15. Kaya yan po yung naka-yellow. When you got your 3, you got your $15 income. Yan po yung una nating income. Lahat po tayo, ganyan na mangyayari. Level 1. So ngayon, ang sabi dyan, tulungan mo yung 3 mo to find their 3. So week 2 na po yan. Tignan natin kung ano mangyayari sa week 2. One time din silang kukuha ng 3 nila. One time din sila magbabayad ng 12 nila. Ano mangyayari sa kanila? Gagayahin ka, na-duplicate ka. Kumita rin sila ng $15 sa 3 nila. Pero what happened? Anong tawag mo dyan? Pinalago niya yung income mo by $24. Wala ka nang ginawa. Gumawa ka lang one time nung week 1. Pero the second time, tinulungan mo yung dinala mo na kumuha ng 3. Pero tinulak ka niya to get to $24. Siya, kumita siya ng 15, pero ikaw na-apply niya, kumita ng $24. Saan ka nakakita ng ganun? Yung mga ginawa po natin dyan, hindi po. Hindi po tayo itutulak na pataas. O look, week number 3. Sabi mo dun sa bagong pasok, ganito pong gagawin natin. Get your 3, help your 3, find their 3. So ginawa niya yung level 2 mo, naghanap siya ng 3 niya, tinulungan din niya na kumuha ng 3. So yung level 3 mo, nakakuha ng 3, kumita siya ng $15. So itinulak niya ngayon yung upline niya, kumita ng 24. Pero ikaw, wala kang ginawa. Wala na. One-time work nung week 1 mo. Pero kinita mo $38. Diba? Yan po ay 3 lang. Sinasabi ko dyan, 3 lang, assumption na kinuha mo. Look, ngayon, yung level 4 mo, kumuha din ng 3. So, ano nangyari? 1, 2, 3. 3, level 4, kumuha ng 3. So, level 4 ba yan? 1, 2, 3, 4. Opo. Yung level 4, kumuha ng 3. Anong level 1? Level 2, level 3. Kumuha ng 3. Nalilito po ako dyan. Kumuha ng 3. So sila, kumita sila ng $15 each. Yung mga nandyan sa level 3. Pero yung level 2 mo, tinulak nila. So pumasok yung income ng $24 sa kanila. Yung level 1, pumasok ang income ulit. Sa pumasok na tigta-3 dyan sa level 4. Yung level 1 mo, kumita ng 38. Ikaw, nakarating ang pera dyan sa'yo ng $68 ka. Anong ibig sabihin? When 1 comes in, 6 others are paid up the line. So it's bottom up ang income. Ibibigay niya kung ano yung nandun sa matrix na nakalagay na 1, 1.5, 1.5. I-distribute po niya pataas yung income. Kaya nakakatuwa po ito eh. Oh, look at this. Nasaan na? Nandun ka na sa level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5 po. Level 5, kumuha sila ng tigtat-tatlo, mga nasa level 5 mo. Everybody earned $15. Pero yung upline nila, kumita, bawat isa 24. Bawat isa kumita doon sa taas ng 38. Ibinigay yung 68, ikaw naging 219. Ang tawag dyan, everybody scales. Hindi ko alam po sa Tagalog kasi sabi ni Tita Mercy, ano yan? Pinapalago. When somebody comes in below, pinapalago niya yung income ng mga nasa taas without them doing anything anymore. Well, it's a one-time work, and when we do it properly, it's going to give you that money non-stop, day in, day out. So, tingnan niyo po, ngayon, nandito na po kayo, 5 level deep. Di ba sabi ko, may enough money ka na, 219. So, kaya ka nang i-upgrade ng system mo to C28. Nung 68 ka pala, sorry. At 68, ipinasok ka doon sa Co-op 28. So, may Co-op 28 ka na dito. Nung nag-68 ka. So, 219 kinita mo. Dito po sa week 6, tingnan natin po sa week 6. Ang week 6 po natin, may Co-op 28 ka na, may Co-op 12 kang kumikita, at yung kinita mo po total 959. Tingnan niyo po yung week 6. In other words, ilan yan? 2.5 months. In 2.5 months, meron ka ng 959. That's 50,000. Ngayon, wala nga tayong pagkuha na ng 50,000 eh. Pero dito, isinugal natin yung sorry for the word. Inirisk natin, sorry, mali. Ano ba yan? Inilabas natin as a business cost yung ating $12 to be able to get to $959 income in 2.5 months. What did you do? Involve 3 people in your business and help them find their 3 people. Naglabas ka one time, $12. Yan lang po. Ngayon, week 7, tignan po natin yung week 7. Dahil may pera ka na, $959, the system automatically upgraded you to the Co-op 280. So palaki na yung income mo. Nasa Co-op 280 ka na. Ito pong nung week 6 po, nasundan ka na eh. Nasundan ka na ng mga tao mo. Nag-Co-op 28 na po yung ibang tao mo dyan. Kaya ganyan ang kinita mo. Ngayon, ikaw ang naunang nag-Co-op 280 dito. You have earned 1,088. So anong level na yan? Week 7. Level 7. So, 1,288 nang kinita mo ngayon, week 8, 2 months in the making. Nasa 280, nasa Co-op 12 ka, meron kang Cooperative Co-op 12, meron kang Cooperative 28, meron kang Cooperative 280, at week 8, sinundan ka na po ng inyong mga directs sa Co-op 280. Nag-C280 na rin sila. So ang kinita mo, $1,500. Magkano yan? Mga ilan na po yan? 75,000? Hindi na po masama yan. Every week po yung sinasabi ko. Week 6. Now, let us look. Halfway through, nagkaroon ka ng $1,500. Week 9. Ito po. Week 9, dito po, tatlo yung pinagkakakitaan mo na. Co-op 12, Co-op 28, Co-op 280, you have $1,992. Week 10, $3,913. So lahat ng bagong pumapasok po, tandaan nyo, $15. Tapos nagdo-donate sila. Nasa 10 level dip na po kasi ang hinahagip mo dito. Kasi meron kang Co-op 28, Co-op 280, you are now earning from 10 level dip. So pag may pumasok sa 10 level dip, magdi-distribute po yung system ng doon sa level 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hanggang sa'yo hagip ka. Kaya ang kikitain mo po, pataas ang pataas. Week 10, $3,900. Week 11, $6,820. Week 12, 3 months. Every week lang po yung ating increment in income. You are now $20,000 in earnings. 1 million pesos na po yan. In just 12 weeks? Opo. Anong ginawa mo? Wala na. Minsan ka lang nagdala ng 3 mo, tinulungan mo kumuha ng 3, at naglabas ka lang ng $12. That was the effort you put in your cooperative, and the entire community is helping you to earn more money week after week after week. Okay, now, week 13. May pumasok, kumita ng 15, nag-distribute yung kanyang kinita, ay yung inilagay niya, ayan po, 58,000 ang kinita mo. So anong i-distribute dyan? 3 na po, dinidistribute yung 12, dinidistribute yung 28, yung 280. That total amount of $300 plus is going to be distributed from level down up to level up to your level. Umaakyat po ang pera. Bawat isa inaakyatan niya. So that's $58,000 for you. Week 15, week 14 is $210,000. Week 15, $500,000 for you. Week 16, $1.5 million income. So ito po yung ating, this is our, blueprint. Ito po, wala pong mababawas yan. Yan ang amount. Eksakto po ito. It has already been computed for you. It is mathematically computed perfectly for each and every one of you. Ganun po katindi itong cooperative pag titignan niyo po. So, ngayon, kumita na tayo ng $1.5 billion every 28 days. What are we going to do with that much amount of money? Una, yung family mo. So it's going to help you and your family get the best life. Pero more than that, you're going to be of blessing to many others. Ipapakita mo po because you already have a social proof. So ipapakita mo po na kumita ka. At sila, pwede rin silang kumita because this is a long-term, legitimate, cooperative, crowdfund business na hindi po tayo mapapahiya. So, while helping others, you help the mission of David Rosen to end poverty by 2030. Yun po yung mission talaga niya. To be able to end poverty in this world during this decade of 2030. So yun po. Ngayon, ang tanong, sa mga narinig mong ito, marami pong pwedeng reaction ng mga tao. Ang tatanungin mo lang yung sarili mo, is this for you? Para sa akin ba ito? Masasagot mo yun because of the 3 questions na nandito. Tanungin mo yung sarili mo. Do you want more money right now? Do you need more money right now for your daily living? Because money is not an evil. Yung greed for money is. Pero money is needed para po mabuhay tayo na maayos. If you use that money for good reasons, maganda po ang maraming pera. So ang pangalawang tanong po, do you know 3 people who also want more money right now? Pangatlong tanongin niyo po, Do you have in your pocket 820 pesos to start a multi-million business? Yan lang po. And then you can decide. You think about it tonight. So pagka natutulog ka po, pag-isipan mo, what other options you have to be able to earn that money and give the best life for your family. So, pagka nagustuhan mo po to, let's work together as a team. So ito po, ginagarantiya po. It is 100% guarantee for everybody that this will work 100% for everybody. For those people who will do the one-time, 3 simple doable steps, 100%. Yan po ang guarantee nito. Pag ginawa mo po, lalabas po yung resulta ng mga sinasabi ko. So, it is a very simple, doable business. So, it's decision time. Decide to get to Co-op 12 because you will earn that money. Once you are upgraded to the Co-op 28, you will earn more money. And the final upgrade will be Co-op 280, where you will earn more and more and more money. Yan po kagandahan ng ating negosyo. So what is this all about? We give and we shall receive. We give a little part of us, a little bit of money, a little bit of effort, and become part of a community that will help, that is going to help one another. So we will turn our giving into receiving. So we give, and then we receive more. We give a little, we receive more, we share to more people, and then they give, and then they receive more. So it's a cycle of giving and receiving so that we can build a better future for everybody. So, yun lang po. You decide, you join our team. Tulungan po tayo dito. We will have our regular meetings every day po in the evening at 8 o'clock, and we have a volunteer po ng 2 o'clock in the afternoon for those who cannot make it on an 8 o'clock meeting ng gabi. So, thank you so much po for listening, and I'll see you next time.